Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get some building blocks while you're building your website. So you can see if you come to a foundation website, you're going to see they have different kind of layout that you can use in your website, and then there is different kind of categories. And this is a nice thing for beginners that you can use when you are building you can learn how to properly build your website with following the naming convention, the structure of the HTML layout. So as you can see this one, you can see the structure as well. All the name of the CSS classes, they are lower cases, as you can see, all of them lower cases, because sometimes people are gonna put like uppercase or title case, so lower cases for all the naming convention. And then when it comes to the structure, so you can see every element. So if the element is inside a div, this is the way that's going to be like that. So to indent it nicely. So if the element is inside, like you can see, this is the parent, the child they go inside. This is the parent, the child they go inside. You see. So this is the way that we say structure. So it's basically the parent. If the parent has a child, so the child element is going to go inside. There need to be the structure space like that. This one here is a child of this, it go inside there. So this is a sublink. You can see all of them, they're on the same line. And the sublink, and then sublink. Yeah, that's it. So here, parent, after that you can see all the child inside, sublink, 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 same line. And then child, there's the parent class, so all of them they're inside. So this is the basic for HTML structure when you're doing your HTML structure. And then your CSS, they must always be inside, as you can see, on the line like that. And then you have indented like this. So you cannot have this one to be almost like here. No, you have to have it here. So now if it's a media queries, so which means that the parent media query is going to be there, and then this is going to be inside if it's a media query. But if it's a main CSS, you have it something like that. All right, so go back. So now, as we can see here, we have, for instance, like C code here. So this is also a nice structure. So you can see here, those are the elements. You can see the way that they structure their stuff. And then you have something like this. And then here, those are the kind of like the parents. But if you want to do the normal CSS, let's see this one. Yeah, so this normal CSS here. Yeah, so as you can see the structure, this one's there nicely. You can see the way that they did put it. Because of this is a child element inside this, you can put the space there. Yeah. Okay, so you have it like that. As you can see, the HTML also here, they give the comment nicely to say what this is about. So you can see there is a semantic. So every block has some senses. So you must also put semantics when you're naming your stuff, your HTML elements. You can see this is a parent of this one. So this is inside there. As you can see there, they have it like that. Yeah, okay. So you can see there. So you can see the code is clean. So make sure you're following, because if your code is clean, it's going to help you to fix some HTML bug. So yeah, so in CSS, you can copy, and then after that you can use it in your code. Yeah. So there are a lot of example that you can use here. So those are the stuff that can help you to understand how the structure works. As you can see parent, and then there is a child, parent, child, and then you can see parents, and this one they come inside here. Okay, and then we click CSS. You can see the CSS here, we have it like this. The CSS like that. And then if you can see here, there's not have a JavaScript. So yeah, so this is the way that you structure. So you can go, I'm gonna put this in the description so that you can go through it and then to see how the layouts looks like, what you can use in your website. And also make sure that when you're building your own blocks, it must have clean. So it must be clean and following the structure, the naming convention, and the semantic of the classes and the IDs. Great stuff. Thank you.